Hello all, welcome to this training session. In this training session, we will be exploring how to create crossword, find the words from the grid, memory game using Lumi. As we all know that Lumi is a powerful tool that allows us to create interactive and engaging content. This training is in continuation with the last few trainings. First, we will start with crossword. How we can create crossword using Lumi tool. Okay, this is the icon for Lumi. Double click on it. Here we can see start button under H5P editor. Click on it. Then we want to create a crossword. This is a new H5P content. Hence click on create new H5P. These are the different type of interactive content that can be created using this Lumi tool. First, we will see how we can create crossword. This is the search box. Click on it and start typing crossword. Okay, click on it. To use it, first we need to install it on our system. To install it, click on install button at the bottom right corner. Now we can see installation is in progress. Once the installation is complete, we will be able to use it. Here we can see installation is successful. To use it, click on use button. Okay, now here the first field is title. We need to provide title. For example, I am providing exploring computer parts, a fun crossword. Next field is task description. Here we have to provide the description of the task, but this is optional. It's not mandatory. Here we need to provide the clue for the first word. Example, I am providing the brain of the computer. The answer to the clue, processor. Okay, providing clue and answer to the clue, both these fields are mandatory. Next is extra clue. It's a drop down. This is optional. If you want, you can provide extra clue in the form of text and image. Suppose in this case, I want to provide extra clue in the form of the text. So here we will select text. In the text, I am providing one extra clue, that is answer should contain 9 letters. So I am writing 9 letters. This is completed. Now we will proceed with the second clue, second word. Here The second clue is like the screen of the computer. This is the next clue. Answer to the clue is monitor. Next field is extra clue. Again, this is optional. Here, I want to provide extra clue in the form of the image. So, here we will select image. Click on it. Then, to add the image, click on add button. Here we need to navigate to the location where we have downloaded the image. So I have downloaded the image and image is present in my downloads folder. So we have to click on downloads, select the picture, click on it and then open. Image uploaded successfully. If we are providing extra clue in the form of the image, in that case, providing alternative text is compulsory. Due to any reason, if browser fails to upload the image, in that scenario, this alternative text will be shown to the user. Here I am providing alternative text as monitor image. Next is hover text. This is optional. For example, I am pointing my mouse pointer over this image. Here I am getting change file. This is the hover text. If you want to set, you can set. Otherwise, this is not compulsory, mandatory, it's optional. Similarly, if you want to add one more clue, click on this add word. Now, the third clue is the part you type with. The answer to the clue is keyboard. Extra clue is optional. Here we are not providing any extra clue. Again, if you want to add one more clue, you want one more word in your crossword, click on this add word. Here provide the clue. Example, the part that stores information permanently. The answer to the clue is hard drive. Once adding word to the crossword is done, scroll down here. Here we can provide the score range. Suppose I want only 2 scores. Better luck next time and good job. If student is scoring less than 50% or equal to 50%, I want result as better luck next time. And if student is scoring more than 50%, I want result as good job. Okay. So to add the range, we need to click on this add range button. Here we need to provide the score. So I want if student is scoring less than 51, here it should print Better luck next time. If student is scoring more than 50%, it should give feedback as good job. Once this is done, to view the output, scroll page up. Here we can see view button. Click on it. This is the final output. Here student can uh, students can reuse this multiple times. One time effort we have to create this and need to share with children. Children can use this multiple times. Step number 1, first how we can share this file with the children. Click on file, export, all in one HTML file, export now. Here we need to select the location where you want to export this file. I'm selecting downloads. Then here provide the name. Here we can see extension .html. This is a HTML file. This can be opened in mobile phone, tablet, laptop, personal computers. Click on export. Navigate to the downloads folder. Here we can see this is the file which we need to share with the children. To open it, double click here. Now how student can give exam, like click on this one. The clue is the brain of the computer. Answer is processor. 2. The part you type with keyboard. 3. The part that stores information permanently. 4. The screen of the computer. Monitor, but suppose student attempted it incorrectly. Okay. Now here to check the score, we need to click on this check button. Here we can see 1, 2, 3 is correct and 4 incorrect. If student want to see the solution, need to click on this show solution. If student want to reattempt this exam, need to click on this retry button and again ready for the exam. Next, we can reuse this file. Students can reuse this file multiple times. Now, suppose you have created this file. Now, after a few days or few months or in the next session, you want to make some changes in it. Either you want to add some extra words or you want to delete some words. Any modification you want, for which you needed H5P file. H5P package. So we need to save this file as well. How we can do that? Go to file, click on save, choose the location and then save this H5P package file. Save. Okay. Now suppose uh, we want to make modification in it. How we can do that? Open existing H5P. Click on it. Select the package H5P package which you want to add it. Click on it, then open. Here. Now, if you want to add further words, click on add word. If you want to delete any clue, you can delete like here. Remove item, confirm. Now, again scroll up. Here is a view button. Click on it to view the final output. Now, here we can see only there are 3 words, 3 clue. Now, we are moving to the next part of the training. Now, we will see how we can find the words from the grid. Click on this new H5P file, search box, click on it and type find the words. Here we can see find the words, grid word search came. Click on it. To use it, we need to install it. To install it, click on this install button. Installation is in progress. Now, we can see installation is successful. Now, we will be able to use this find the words. To use it, click on this use button. Here, first field is title. Here we need to provide the title of the interactive content. Suppose I am providing title as computer game word search. Here the next field is task description. Here we need to provide the description of the task. This is mandatory. Here the task description is find the words from the grid. Next field is word list. Here we need to provide the words separated by comma. Please note that special characters, white spaces and numbers are not allowed. The word list is as follows. Word number 1 is mouse, comma, monitor, comma, keyboard, processor, disk, file, screen, data, memory. These are the words of my word list which I want children to find from the grid. Once this is done, scroll up, view button, click on it to view the final output. Here the grid is ready. Now, these are the words which children need to find over here. Example, keyboard. Once you will be able to find the word. Here a green tick will come and the color change from black to green. Monitor, processor, disk, data, data, similarly we need to find the other word as well. Mouse, once done, file, screen, memory. Here student can see if they will be able to find all the words 9 by 9, and accordingly they will get the score, how many words they are able to find. Here student can check their scores as well as the time spent to solve this grid. Similarly, there is a retry button if student want to again again retry this grid. How we can share this with students? Same process. Click on file, then export all in one HTML file. Export now. Select the location, provide the name, click on export button. Here we can see H5P successfully exported. Navigate to the location. Here we can see computer game world search. This file we need to share with the children. By double clicking on it, this will be opened and here student can start giving and finding the solution. Check. Here only we can see 1 score out of 9. Source solution button is also available to view the solution, and if a student want to reattempt this exam, he or she just need to click on this retry button. Now we will be proceeding to the next topic. The next topic is memory game. How we can create memory game for the children. Click on this new H5P file. Click on the search box and type memory game. To use it, first we need to install it in our system. Scroll down, click on this install button at the bottom right corner. Here it is showing installation is in progress. Once installation is done, you will be getting a pop-up like this. Memory game successfully installed. That means installation is successful. To use it, click on use button. Here. First, in the first field, similarly, crossword and find the words from the grid. Here also we need to provide the title first. Suppose I am providing title as computer components memory challenge. Here image, here we need to provide the image. This is mandatory. To add image, click on this add button. Now we are having two options, है ना? First, download all the required image and keep it in your system ready, or side by side download the image from the Google and upload it. I have already downloaded few images that I will be using. The first image that I am selecting is of processor. To select the image, click on it and then open. Here we can see image uploaded successfully. Again, in the crossword, if we are providing extra clue in the form of the image, we need to provide the alternative text. Similarly, in memory game as well, for every image, we need to provide the alternative text for image. If image is not uploaded or not able, if browser is not able to show the image due to any reason, in that scenario this alternative text will be shown to the user. So the alternative text for the image is processor. Audio track, this is the optional. If you want, you can provide the sound. This is optional, not mandatory. Here, this is not mandatory, optional image है. If you want, you can add one new image, or else it will take the same image for both the cards. Here, alternative text for matching image. This option is for visually impaired users. This will be this text will be read by text to speech tools. Again, audio track, this is optional. In the description, once both similar cards you have selected, this description will be shown. Once you will be able to find two similar cards. Okay, so the description is here I'm writing about the processor, one line. In the description, the brain of the computer that processes all instructions. Next, click on this card. Here we will provide the details of the next card. Step number 1, we have to add the image. To add the image, click on this add button. Navigate to the folder where you have kept downloaded images. Then select the image. Click on open. Image uploaded successfully. For image, providing alternative text is compulsory. So alternative text is monitor. And here we have to provide the description. The screen of the computer that displays images and text. Scroll up, click on this add card to add one more card. Here again we need to select the image. To upload the image, click on this add button, select the image, click open, provide alternative text for the image, scroll down, and here the description. The part you use to type on the computer. Scroll up to add one more card. Click on this add card button. Upload the image. To upload the image, click on this add button. Select the image. Click on open. Provide alternative text for the image. Scroll down. Here provide the description. A device that lets you move the cursor on the screen. Scroll up, click on this add card, click on this add file, add button, select the image, click open, provide alternative text, scroll down, here provide the description, random access memory where temporary data is stored. File using programs. Scroll up to add card. Click on this add card button. First, we need to provide the image. Click on this add button to upload the image. Search the image. Click on it. Click on open button. Here we need to provide the alternative text for the image. Alternative text is hard disk drive. Scroll down. Description: a storage device that holds data and files. Once all the cards are ready, scroll up, click on this view button to view the final output. Okay, here we can see these are the 12 cards. Here student need to find the similar card. For example, keyboard. Both are similar cards. So here we can see the description that we have provided at the bottom. The part you use to type on the computer. Here we can see card turns to time spent 7 seconds. Then RAM, hard disk. Here we have seen this hard disk. Both are similar cards. We can see here the description. A storage device that holds data and files. Scroll down, close it. 6 cartons, it's recording. Mouse, RAM, monitor, processor, monitor, monitor. The screen of the computer that displays images and text. In the same way, we need to find the similar cards. Same process we need to follow. First, we need to save this file so that we can modify as per our requirement whenever needed. How we can save? Go to File, click on Save, select the location where you want to keep this H5P package file, provide the file name, click on Save. Navigate to the location. Here we can see computer components memory challenge. This is our .h5p file. To share with children, we need to export this file in HTML. For that, click on File, Export, all in one HTML file, Export now, select the location, provide the name and click on Export. Exported successfully. Navigate to that location. Here we can see computer components memory challenge. This .html file we need to share with children. You can create multiple copies and each copy is reusable. You can use multiple times. This .h5p file is editable. You can modify it later as per your requirement whenever needed. So always keep both these files, .h5p file and .html. If you want to modify .h5p file, click on this open h5p file, go navigate to the location where you have kept the file, search for it, click on this open. By default, this file is opening in edit mode. Whatever you want to add it, you can add it. Add, remove, then click on this view button to view the final output. Thank you.